on, students? Now see, this is the construction of triangle. To construct a right angle triangle, given the hypotenuse and one side. What is right angle triangle? If one angle of a triangle is right angle, that is 90 degree, then the triangle is called as a right angle triangle. Given the hypotenuse measure is given and one side measure is given. So we have to construct the right angle triangle. Now what is hypotenuse? In a right, this right RT is the short form of RIGHT, right. Right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. Learn this. Now see here, for example, PQR. PR is the side which is opposite to the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse and this is called as the base and this is the height. This base both can be height also and both can be base also. If I write here, if I convert this P here and R here, then this will become the PQ will become the base and QR will become the height. So this can be interchanged. Therefore here PQ is the height, QR is the base and PR is called the hypotenuse, that is the side opposite to the right angle in a right angle triangle. Now we will construct a right angle triangle. I have taken practice set 5 question number 2 because it's just little complicated and others always easy. Even the 4th question is similar to this question. Now see here, the triangle is given, name of the triangle is given in right angle triangle STU. STU. That means here it is right angle. Yes. Now hypotenuse SU is given as 5 centimeters. To construct the right angle triangle, I want the measure of the base. But measure of the base here, ST is given as 4 centimeter. So to get the measure of the base, what shall I do is that I will change the name of the vertices. That is, I will take S here and T here. U here. U. So SU is remaining 5 centimeters only. This angle T is 90 degree only and ST measure given as 4 centimeter. So I got the rough figure. According to this, I will construct the triangle. Now the base is measure given ST as 4 centimeters. So take the scale, then with the help of the pencil, keep the scale between the lines here and draw 4 centimeters from 0 to 4. This is 4 centimeters and this is named as TU. It is TS. It is TS 4 centimeter. Now at point T you have to draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of the protractor. So I have taken the protractor. This point must be on this point T. Point T you take like this way and this line should adjust with this. Pencil line should adjust with the black line of the protractor. Now here it is 90 degree. Mark this. Now adjust the scale with this and this point. I got the angle 90 degree. Now you have to find the hypotenuse. So from here you take the measure of 5 centimeters. So take the compass, take the scale and take the measure of 5 centimeters. This is at 0. Now go to 5, pencil point at 5, exactly at 5, and the pointer of the compass is exactly at 0. Now keep this pointer on point S and cut the arc. You get the arc in this manner. If this side measure is given, then you will get it in this form. Now here, now join this point intersection of the angle and the arc is point U. It is U. So you join U and S. This is U, this is S. You got the triangle. The required triangle is constructed. Now we will write the steps of construction according to, this is 5 centimeters. So we will write the steps of construction accordingly as we have done the construction. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. First one. See, first one what we have done? We have drawn the base of 4 centimeters, that is ST. So draw the base with the help of draw the base TS. TS equal to 4 centimeters with the help of scale and pencil. Second point. This I missed it, children. Sorry. So you come along the line, you write it. Now, next step is we have to draw at point T. You have to draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of the protractor. So, with the help of the protractor, draw an angle of 90 degree at point T. We got the angle. Now we have to take the measure of 5 centimeters. Third point. With the help of scale and compass, taking the measure of 5 centimeter, cut an arc at point T, at point S. From at point S you have to cut the arc. The intersection of the arc, angle and arc is point U. Now we have to only join US. Now the required triangle, that is right angle triangle. Required triangle that is given in the question as STU is constructed.